Touch.
Play well, okay? Again, we have second def and first def, okay?
23.
Out ko sa party 1 offensive, party 2 defensive, okay? Yung E. Get ready.
Eh? Hindi ko nakikita yung ano.
Dismounted.
Okay.
Dismat na sila.
Pasabi pag nag-pucheck sila.
Wala pa. Nag-ausik.
Yo, pucheck.
Ausipod na.
Pucheck ko si. Ready. Ingat. Ingat ah. O ingat. Sino caller? Cobra?
Cobra.
Okay. Pamarkahan nga.
Cobra.
Yo, shallow sa akin sa atin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit. Then come back down. Sino nag-GA guys? Yo, dev. Second dev. Kipiling. Sino nag-GA guys?
Jesse.
Careful kayo.
Hold. Away from the walls if you don't clear calls guys. Away from the walls.
Buti makita ko
Apa second def ko? Or hindi?
Down.
Down. Okay. Guys, double
10 seconds,
guys.
10 seconds.
Okay, hold.
Hindi man puno pag-apart.
Yo, ready. Hila lang ako. Def na, first step. Ready on the gate now, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on the gate now. Hit. Nice. Go back. Go back. Second def. Second def.
Walang second def.
Dami naman.
May ba kayong battlement, pre?
Ina. Guys, Dev. Yo. Away. Dev. Bam. Ilang percent yung gate? Wala, no? Beyond my northeast. Last hit tayo, then go second floor. You ready? You ready on the gate now in 5, 4, 3. The gate.
Umrap ka Queen para makita mo yung bomb squad.
Yo. Bam. Dev. Come northwest.
Dalawa yung engage nila.
Gigi.
Bounce
Come
squad.
northwest.
Dalawa bomb squad nila.
Guys, yung pots nyo, ipop nyo.
Witchwork bomb squad tsaka Hellfire bomb squad.
Gago, sino siya? Patay na.
Ingat, ta. Pwede sila humit kaagad. Come northwest. Hagdawal northwest. Tinan mo si Noshia, Tangin, ang kulit niya. Alam mo nang bobo ka wala kang clerical, gusto mo pa assassin. Yo, ready, over the wall northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, over the wall northeast. Sorry. Yo, bam. Dev. Second dep only. Okay, hold. Trigger come back kung kaya namatay. Trigger come back. Yo, away from the walls, guys. Oh my god.
Ginagawa nyo.
Queen, Nicole out mo yung bang, Queen.
Kaya nga eh.
Hindi ko alam kung bamba yun. Yung claret yung tinitignan ko.
Guys, you just need to hug the wall. Oh my god. Ready. Northwest shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northwest shallow. Sa hila ko, hit. Kamak na. Hug the wall.
Bam.
Hug the wall, you won't die. Hug the wall, you won't die. Ingat over the wall. Ingat over the wall. Yo, wait up. Bam. You ready. Yo, walking. Lock in the gate. Pull up na. Look at the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit the gate now. Hit the gate. Then go back now. Dropping Judy up front. Yo, come kanan. Papas.
Hold.
Hold them. Come kanan. Hold them. Dep now front. Dep front.
Inching bam ha, nag-stack bam ha.
Yo, walking. Ingat. Bamsad looking. Yo. Click the gate now. Deep northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep northeast now. Hit. Then go back now. Go. Come kanan. Pass.
Inching bam.
Dep front. Okay, come kanan. We hold the kanan. Come kanan guys. Come kanan.
Iingay sa katagin.
Come kanan. Ingat.
Ingat over the wall.
You ready. Ingat, okay? Yo, ready, sa hila ko lang. Hit me guys. Hit the crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit the crown. Hit the crown. Kill this guy. Brawl this guy. Okay, kamak now. Ready, cleric. Okay. Away from the gate. Away from the fucking gate. Away from the Kaking Gate. Okay, hit. Yo, walking now. Second step now. Second step now. Walking now. Walking now. Look, on the bomb. Run the bomb. In the bomb. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold the bomb squad. Kill nyo. Kill. Go back now. Come. Pull the bomb, guys. Pull the bomb. Okay, ready. Walking the brawl. We have first step, okay? Walking the brawl. Tell me, Freddy. Walking the brawl.
2 seconds.
You're ready. Deep southeast in 5, 4, 3. Inside us now southeast. Then go back na kanon. Go back. Go. Na Pinas. Full
Engine
pills.
yung current,
Full pills. Pull them na. Full pills. Okay. Pull them.
Ready.
Yo, looking bam. Walking. Brawling nyo inside us, oh. Brawling inside. Deep is in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2. Uy man, deep is now. On me. Hit. Hit, then go back na. Pull them the pats. Ready, pats. Full pills. Away from the walls. Brawl inside you, away from the walls. Come kanan. Rigger and come back, guys. Please, rigger and come back, okay? Rigger and come back. Away from the walls.
Ang kulit ng Bosoro, one hand arcane. Sobrang,
Guys.
Nababasa sila ng Naro, ah.
Gay.
Sakit.
Ayun na, nice. Nice ano kayo dyan. You ready, ready.
Ready, Bosoro.
Yo, bam. Careful, bam. Walk in. Wait. Okay, come back na.
Hindi ko makukol yung Clarent, naka-assassin jacket sila. Hindi ko makita.
Puro makita eh.
Yo, shallow northeast lang tayo, ah. Shallow northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow northeast, then go back clear. Shallow northeast, then go back. Go back now. Go back now. Go back
May
now.
100 arcane ba tayo?
Meron.
i-stop ko. Yung iba i-stop.
Gigi. Tambay ka na sa may ano dito sa second floor, oh. Ilan
Nasa southeast.
Pasabi pagbasag na yung northeast, ah.
Nasa first gate lang yung bomb.
Gusto ko lakarin yung mga puki na yun sa taas.
May one shot sa other gate, wag kayong pumunta dyan.
Be careful.
Nawala yung Clarent, ah.
Gigi, be careful.
Wala daw guys.
Be careful.
Tingnan na ako, Dora.
Gigi, be careful, ah.
Check na ready yung pierce mo.
Tara.
Bukas na yung second.
Tara, ikot na tayo.
Southeast tech.
Okay, engage sa akin.
Ikot. Robas, why are you moving, bro?
Lalag daw. Gigil sila kaya halo.
Ayun sa kanila.
Ready. Over the wall east in 5, 4, 6, south now. Hit south. Come back. Go. Come kanan.
Kanan guys.
Come kanan.
Bam.
Yo, bam, pat, cleric. Yo, shallow the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow the gate na. Hit. Bilisan nyo pa, guys. Yo, come southwest. Away from the walls if you don't have clericals. And pats. Careful lang tayo. Brawl tayo dito, ha. Yo, spread now. Spread. Wala yan. Fake. It's a fake. Brawl na. Brawl inside. Brawl inside. Hold the cannon. Pawatch ako ng bomb, ha. Yo, shallow inside us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us na. Shallow. Kill this guys. Patayin niyo mga low.
Inching, bomb.
Yo, bomb coming. Patayin niyo low, guys. Come kanon. Come kanon. Away from the fucking wall. Second depth. Yo, spread here. Come northwest spread. Brawlin niyo to.
Nag-engage
Kaya
kay
ginagig,
Google.
Brawlin niyo to. Mamamatay to. Brawlin niyo to. Yo, ready. Dep. Ready. Northeast now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate now, dep na, pull dep na. Papas, pull dep na. Hit inside. Hit in the middle. Click northwest. Click northwest. Then don't go out.
Kain yung bomb, ah.
Ingat. Yo. Ingat. Away from the wall. Yo. Dep. Ready. Dep. Pull Pull them. Yo, walk in. Click the gate. On the middle in 5,
I
4,
need
3, 2, 1, in the middle. Hit the middle. Hit the middle. Nice hit. Then go back northwest. Go back northwest. I need this. Go back northwest. I need this.
Isa na lang healer natin, Bosoro. Isa na lang healer.
Tuloy lang.
May blade ka pa.
Yo, I need this. Dali.
Affirm,
Away sila, angel sila.
Away from the gate. Away from the gate. Yo, pull them na. Papas, pull them. Out. We go clips.
Dami nila masyado.
Grabe.
Guys, yung
Hindi
mga
sila marami. Na-delete
yung mga death nyo nung ano, mga early.
Oo nga, mga na-delete nang
Unnecessary.
Ang dami niya na-delete.
Unnecessary, guys. Unnecessary.
Kitang-kita naman may ano eh. Higop yung ano. Mabilis naman. Ano,
Pagkalabas ng witchwork, clerical.
Isang cleanse lang yun.
Mag-queue ka lang.
Binayad ng permanent. Kaya pala di yung nakikita yung Clarent, naka-assassin jacket sila.
Balitan sila, dalawa.
Ang clarity nila sabog yung waves. May naka-heal yun din.
Huwag lang kayo mag-straight maglakad. Matik yan. Higop kayo dyan.
Go clips.
Hit ako na, 1 HP yung
Sige lang.
Go clips, guys. Atin pa may clips. Go clips. Everyone
Minerva.
who died. Minerva, how many? Get hammers. Those who died, get hammers. Go clips, dali. Go clips, get hammers. We have 10 minutes.
Glaive na ako wala na inferno.
Paano ko mapapasakit yung pera mo?
May infernal ako dito sa success.
Hindi, mag-glaive na lang ako.
Nag-assassin jacket di ba dyan?
Hindi. Ano to? Royal to.